Hey guys, in today's video I will show you some cheap and very useful gadgets and products available online on Amazon, kitchenware products, which make every household work easy, make them smart and show the organizer. So first of all I will show you the electric juicer blender here. This is a portable electric juicer blender. You can make anything. You can make shake easily. After this I will show you the cosmetic organizer. So if there is any space in your wardrobe to keep only cosmetic items, then things fall in it, you take out one again and again, the other falls down. For this you will get this type of clips which you can stick on your wall through magic sticker. And this is the partition divider. Strips, if there is space in your wardrobe and there are a lot of clips kept in one, then it becomes very difficult to find the item. You take out any one thing, you cannot find the other item. This is a stain remover for wall. It removes all the stains, painting, scratches on your wall, because it has a very good putty type paint, with which you can remove every scratch and dirt from your wall. After that I will show you a steel steamer basket for your kitchen. It is made of steel. It is completely strong. If you are cooking anything in it, if you want to boil it, then you can boil it after placing it in it comfortably. And this is a foldable electric kettle. Like you are going somewhere for a trip, right? For 4, 5, or 10 days, you can order these online from Amazon. The kettles which are foldable, you can carry them in your pocket or purse. So you can use it with electricity, and I am showing you a divider shelf for the fridge. There are small plastic shelves which you can keep in the side door of your fridge and keep water or packets. You can keep all these separately so that if you take out something, you can find it easily and that thing is right in front of you. So, we will give you this type of clip made of plastic, and this is magnetic wallpaper, not wallpaper. This is a wall photo of a kind. The magnetic strip is made of silicone which after sticking on your wall, any memorable photo becomes a memento of yours. After this, you are showing facial cleaning breast scrub. This is very good for your face facial sitting at home. You can do facial, scrub, clean your face, when you can do it sitting at home, that too in 300 Indian rupees, then you will not have to spend much money going to big factories. Mini ultrasonic washer, if you want to wash clothes, you have less clothes, you have to install big machines, you will not have to do that. But you have to buy this turbo washer. You will get it online on Amazon. After putting it in your sim and then putting it in the bucket, you can wash small clothes anytime. So, you can wash utensils with it. This is dry nuts, serving tree. When guests come, you serve them nuts or food on a plate. Instead of that, you can take a tree like this, right? Serving tree will look very nice because these are foldable. If you want to use them, open them. This is the shopping bag which is given in a roller strip. There is a very big foil inside it. If you go for grocery shopping, you have to buy extra polythene bags and carry bags. I'm showing you a cosmetic display case which is meant for wall mount. You can stick it on the wall using a magic sticker. After sticking, you can keep all the cosmetics in it, be it cream, powder, or face wash. You can put all these on your wall so that you can create a swing in your bathroom. After that I will show you a double layer soap disc. This is also foldable. After putting it on your wall, you can keep 2 types of soaps on it like bath soap, laundry soap, and it looks very good too.